Mastering process validation methods. Undefined scope means validation failure, period. Why is it essential to clearly define the scope of process validation within our organization, and what are the critical processes that necessitate validation to ensure operational excellence? Clearly defining the scope of process validation within an organization is crucial to ensure operational excellence. It involves identifying and validating critical processes that have a direct impact on the quality, safety, and efficacy of products or services. The scope of process validation should encompass all processes that can affect the final product, including design, development, manufacturing, testing, packaging, labeling, storage, and distribution. To ensure operational excellence, organizations must focus on the critical processes that require validation. These processes typically include 1. Production processes. These include all activities involved in the manufacture of products, such as mixing, blending, granulation, compression, coating, and packaging. Validation of production processes ensures that products are consistently manufactured to meet specified quality attributes. 2. Cleaning and sanitization processes. These processes are critical to prevent cross-contamination and ensure a clean environment for product manufacture. Validation of cleaning and sanitization processes confirms that equipment and facilities are adequately cleaned and sanitized to prevent contamination. 3. Testing and analytical processes. These processes verify the quality and purity of raw materials, in-process samples, and finished products. Validation of testing and analytical processes ensures that test methods are accurate, precise, and reliable. 4. Packaging and labeling processes. These processes involve the preparation of packaging components, labeling, and packaging of finished products. Validation of packaging and labeling processes ensures that products are properly packaged and labeled to meet regulatory requirements and customer expectations. 5. Storage and distribution processes. These processes involve the handling, storage, and distribution of products from the manufacturing site to the end user. Validation of storage and distribution processes ensures that products are properly stored, handled, and distributed to maintain their quality and integrity. 6. Computerized systems and automation processes. These processes involve the use of computerized systems, automation, and software to control and monitor manufacturing processes. Validation of computerized systems and automation processes ensures that these systems are functioning correctly and accurately. 7. Sterilization and depyrogenation processes. These processes involve the sterilization and depyrogenation of equipment, components, and products to ensure they are free from contaminants and pyrogens. Validation of sterilization and depyrogenation processes confirms that these processes are effective in removing contaminants and pyrogens. To achieve operational excellence, organizations must establish a robust process validation program that includes 1. Risk assessment, identifying and assessing the risks associated with each process to determine the level of validation required. 2. Process mapping, mapping each process to identify the critical steps, inputs, outputs, and dependencies. 3. Protocol development, developing detailed validation protocols that outline the objectives, scope, and approach for each process validation. 4. Testing and qualification, conducting testing and qualification activities to validate each process, including installation qualification, IQ, operational qualification, OQ, and performance qualification, PQ. 5. Documentation and records, maintaining accurate and complete documentation and records of all process validation activities, including protocols, test results, and reports. 6. Ongoing monitoring and continuous improvement, continuously monitoring process performance and implementing improvements to ensure ongoing validation and operational excellence. By clearly defining the scope of process validation and focusing on critical processes, organizations can ensure operational excellence, improve product quality, and reduce the risk of regulatory non-compliance and product recalls.